እንግሊዘኛን አጥርቶ ለመስማት ብዙ ልምምድ ይፈልጋል። አንድ የመለማመጃው መንገድ ሙዚቃ በማዳመጥ ነው። ስለዚህ ዛሬ አንድ ቆንጆ ሙዚቃ ይዘንላችሁ መተናል። እሱን ቀስ አድርገን እየሰማን ምን ማለት እንደሆነ እናየዋለን። በጣም ቀላል ለሰን ነው የሚሆነው። Welcome back to English Language YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn English through music. ከእናንተ የሚጠበቀው as always መከታተል ብቻ ነው። እኛ ጋር እንደተለመደው አንዲት ተማሪ ያለችን። Let's get into it. እሺ አንድ ቋንቋ መማር ስትፈልጉ ማንኛውንም አይነት ቋንቋ አራት ኮምፖነንቶች አሉት። መናገር ስፒኪንግ፣ ማንበብ ሪዲንግ፣ መጻፍ ራይቲንግ፣ መስማት ሊስኒንግ አለው። ሶ የመስማት ችሎታችሁን ስታዳብሩ ብዙ ነገሮች አብራችሁ ጌን ታደርጋላችሁ። ኦኬ ሶ እንዴት አድርጌ ነው የምለማመደው እንግሊዘኛ በሙዚቃ ውስጥ የሚለው በአራት መንገድ መለማመድ ትችላላችሁ። ኦኬ የመጀመሪያው it is called passive listening ወይም ዝም ብሎ ሙዚቃውን መስማት ነው። ሶ active የሆነ listening ሳይሆን passive ስንል generally ለመስማት እየሞከራችሁ ሳይሆን maybe እያነበባችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ የቤት ስራ እየሰራችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ወደ ስራ ስትሄዱ፣ ከስራ ስትመለሱ የምትፈልጉትን ብቻ ማንኛውንም አይነት activity እያረጋችሁ basically attentionaችሁ ሙዚቃው ላይ ሳይሆን passively listen በማድረግ ሳታስቡት ቃላቶቹን እየተለማመዳችኋቸው ትመጣላችሁ። this ሁለት ነገር ላይ ይረዳችኋል። የመጀመሪያው it's on the fluency fluent ሆናችሁ አቀላጥፋችሁ እንድትናገሩ ይረዳችኋል። ምክንያቱም passively ማይንዳችሁ ሪከርድ እያደረገው subconsciously ስለሚቀመጥ ነው። ሁለተኛው ደግሞ ቃላቶችን recognize ማድረግ ላይ በጣም ጎበዝ ትሆናላችሁ። ብዙውን ጊዜ የእንግሊዘኛ ሙዚቃ ላይ ስትሰሙ አባባሎችን ይጠቀማሉ። idioms ወይም everyday የሆኑ ልትጠቀምባቸው የምትችሉትን አይነት አባባሎች ይጠቀማሉ እና እነሱን በደንብ recognize ለማድረግ ይሄን ነገር አውቀዋለሁ ብላችሁ ወደፊት እንድትናገሩበት ስታነቡ ግራ እንዳይገባችሁ ስትጽፉ ቃላት እንዳያጥሯችሁ ያገለግለናል ማለት ነው። ሶ የመጀመሪያው passive listening በማድረግ ነው። ሁለተኛው active listening ስንል አብሮ በመዝፈን ነው። ኦኬ ሶ ሜቢ ሊሪክሱን ለመስማት ወይም ግጥሞቹን ለመስማት ብቁ ላትሆኑ ትችላላችሁ። ነገር ግን it's very easy to get the lyrics nowadays አይደለ? You can just google the song ከዛ በኋላ እሱን ሊሪክስ ካገኛችሁት በኋላ ሊሪክሱን አብራችሁ እያላችሁ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? actively listen ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ይሄ አንደኛ ምን ላይ ይረዳችኋል? ኢሚቴት ማድረግ ላይ። ኢሚቴት ስንል ማስመሰል አይደለ? ሶ ህፃናቶችን ብታዩዋቸው አዳዲስ ቋንቋዎችን ስታስተምሯቸው ወይንም mother tongue ወይም አፍ መፍቻ ቋንቋቸውን ሲማሩ እኛ የምንናገርበትን መንገድ በማስመሰል ነው አይደለም የሚለማመዱት። ሶ እናንተ እንግሊዘኛ ስትሰሙ ሙዚቃውን ስትሰሙ ኢሚቴት ለማድረግ ስትሞክሩ አብራችሁ ሲንግል ሎንግ እያደረጋችሁ ወይም አብራችሁ እየዘፈናችሁ መልማመድ ይቻላል ማለት ነው። ሶ ሶስተኛው መንገድ ኢሚቴሽኑ ነው። ኢሚቴሽኑ አክሰንታችሁን እንድታሻሽሉ ይረዳችኋል ወይም የምንናገርበትን ቃናው ዘይቤውን ቆንጆ ያደርግልናል ማለት ነው። ቆንጆ አራተኛው ደግሞ it's through memorization አይደለም? ዘፈኑን በሰማችሁት ቁጥር ደጋግማችሁ በሰማችሁት ቁጥር ቃላቶቹ ለእናንተ familiar እየሆኑ አይደለም? ሁልጊዜ የለመዳችሁት ቃላቶች ሲሆኑ ሳናስበው እንለዋለን አይደለ? so this is going to add to your vocabularies ወይም የቃላት ኃይላችሁን ይጨምርላችኋል ማለት ነው። so listening exerciseዎችን መስራት ይሄ ሁሉ ጥቅሞች አሉት። Today we have chosen the song Happy by Pharrell Williams. But simple የሆነ የሚሰማ አይነት ዘፈን ነው። It's also a beat so ሙዳችሁን ቆንጆ አድርጎት የሚያልፍ ዘፈን ነው. So we're going to break it down lyrics by lyrics መስመር በመስመር ምን ለማለት እንደፈለገ what's the concept of this song የሚጠቀማቸው ቃላቶች ምንድናቸው ለየት ያሉ ቃላቶች ካሉ እነሱን ሃይላይት እያደረግን እንማርባቸዋለን ማለት ነው አይደለ? So what you have to do is if you can google the lyrics አጠገባችሁ ካለ ሌላ ዲቫይስ ጉግል አድርጋችሁ መስማት ትችላላችሁ ወይም ደግሞ እኛ ጋር አብራችሁ ቀስ እያለን ሲንግል ሎንግ እያደረግን መሄድ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Okay so let's start the song. The song is basically about being happy. ሶንጉ ምንድነው? ዘፈኑ ስለምንድነው? basically happy ስለመሆን ነው አይደለም የሚያወራው፣ ደስተኛ ስለመሆን ነው የሚያወራው። So we're going to break it down lyrics by lyrics, okay? First, let's just attempt የሚሰማን ቃላቶች ካሉ አንድ ሁለት መስመር እንስማና የሚከብደን አይነት ከሆነ we'll just break it down ቀስ እያልን ማለት ነው። Okay? So let's start with the song. Here it goes. ለመስማት አጥርቶ ለመስማት ትንሽ ይከብዳል። So let's just break it down lyrics by lyrics ቀስ እያልን. Okay? So let's go back to the beginning. It says It might seem crazy what I am about to say. What do you think that means? It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. ምን ማለት ይመስልሻል? What do you think it means? It might seem crazy. What does crazy mean, ሲጀመር? እብድ አይደለ? So it might seem crazy what I am about to say. What I am about to say ምን ማለት ነው? What do you think it means?
እኔ በምለው ነገር
Exactly. So እኔ አሁን ልናገር ያሰብኩት ነገር what I am about to ስትሉ ልናገረው ለሚለውን ቃል ነው የሚጨምርልን ኦኬ I'm about to go ካላችሁ ሊሄድ ነው ማለት ነው አይደለ I'm about to leave ልወጣ ነው I'm about to eat ልበላ ነው so what I'm about to say ሲለን he's basically saying ልናገር ያልኩት ነገር right አሁን ቀጥሎ የምናገረው ነገር it might seem crazy የእብድ ንግግር ሊመስልብኝ ይችላል ብሎ እየተናገረ ነው so what is he going to say let's hear it It might seem crazy what I'm about to say okay down for you okay so he said it might seem crazy what I'm about to say sunshine she's here you can take a break so what is sunshine ምንድነው ኤዱ የፀሐይ ብርሃን አይደለ so she's here ሲለን ምን ማለት ነው
የፀሐይ ብርሃን እዚህ ናት
right so basically ምን እያለ ነው ነግቷል እያለ ነው okay you can take a break what does that mean you can take a break
እረፍት መውሰድ ይቻላል
ትችላለሽ right or ትችላለህ or ትችላላችሁ so it might seem crazy what I'm about to say sunshine is here you can take a break right the lyrics goes on okay so let's go to the next lyrics ከዛ በኋላ it will make much more sense okay I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space so do you know what balloon is what is a balloon ፊኛ አይደለ so do you know a hot air balloon ምን እንደሆነ
no
have you ever seen እንደዚህ ቱር ምናምን ሲደረግ ትልቅ ፊኛ ሆኖ በባስኬት ነገር ሰዎቹ ሆነው በጋዝ የሚሄደው balloon so that's what it is okay so I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space what is space in
ሌላ ዓለም
Exactly. So hey, ጠፈሩ ምንለው ነው አይደለ? So imagine a balloon going to space, right? It seems crazy. So I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space, right? I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. It means that he feels really high. But I'm አሪፍ mood ላይ እንደሆነ, right? I'm really high, I'm really happy ብሎ ለመናገር እየሞከረ ስለሆነ ነው. Okay, you guys? So let's go back to the lyrics again. Let's hear it once more. Kaza bahala, we'll move on to the next one. Let's start it from the top. The air, with the air, okay? So I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space with the air. So yaro mehide michil sounding right? No, right? So it's like he feels so high that he could go to space. So imagine Earth ላይ ሆናችሁ በጣም ደስ ስላላችሁ imagine feeling so high that you could go to space. That's what he means, okay? It sounds crazy, አይደለ? That's why he initiated with saying it sounds crazy with the air. So I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space with the air. I don't care. Okay? So with the air, I don't care. By the way, I'm happy. Okay? With the air, I don't care. Baby, by the way. By the way, what does that mean? What do you think it means? By the way. ለማንኛውም በነገራችን ላይ ብላችሁ ተናገሩ you can use by the way okay so the song is going to go on further let's go on clap along if you feel like a room without a roof so he said clap along what does clap along mean clap ምን ማለት ነው ማጨብጨብ አይደለ so clap along ስልሻው ለምሳሌ sing along አብረሽኝ ዘፈኝ ነው አይደለ so what does it mean clap along ሲሆን ምን ይሆናል ማጨብጨብ አብረሽኝ አይደለ አብረሽ አጨብጨቢ ማለት ነው አይደለ so because I'm happy clap along if you feel like a room without a roof ምን ማለት ነው clap along if you feel like a room without a roof what do you think
ጣሪያ የሌለው ክፍል
so imagine how much air there is right it feels so free clap along if you feel like a room without a roof ያው ጣራ ማለት ነው አይደለ so clap along if you feel like a room without a roof very good let's go to the next lyric clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth because so he said clap along if you feel happiness is the truth what does that mean what do you think that means
happiness ጨብጭቢ ጨብጭብ ደስተኝነት እውነት ከሆነ
right? So ደስታ እውነት ከሆነ, right? So clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth, okay? Because I'm happy ያለ ነው መሀል ላይ, okay? Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next one. So he said, clap along if you know what happiness is to you. What does that mean? If you know what happiness is to you. What do you think that means?
ደስተኝነትን ካወቅ
Okay. እሺ አሁን ለምሳሌ what is success to you ብዬ ስጠይቅሽ ምን ማለት ነው? What is success to you? Success ያው ስኬት ነው?
ስኬት ላንቺ ምንድነው?
ላንቺ ምንድነው? Exactly. So clap along if you know what happiness is to you. ደስታን አንቺ ለራስሽ ምን እንደሆነ ካወቅሽ አብረሽ አጭብጭቢ ማለት ነው አይደል? Basically he's just saying like come along with me, come along for the ride እያለ ነው ማለት ነው. Very good. Let's go to the next one. So he said, clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. What does that mean? If you feel like that's what you want to do. What do you think that means? If you feel like that is what you want to do. What do you think that means?
ያን ነገር ማድረግ የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ ወይ የምትፈልጊ ከሆነ
ምንድን ነው ማድረግ የምንፈልገው?
ማጨብጨብ
Exactly. So clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Do you want to want to as this slang ልክ እንደ አረዳ ቋንቋ ነው, okay? So that's what you want to do, Milo. Want to do ይሉታል. That's it. So clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. So he's trying to say what? I'm not going to dictate what you do. ይሄን አድርጉ አላላችሁም. እንደዛ ከመሰላችሁ if that's what you want to do. እሱን ከሆነ ማድረግ የምትፈልጉት come along with me and clap along, right? Because why? Because I'm happy. Very good. Let's go to the next one. So the next part says wait, let's revise from the feel like a room without a roof. Right? Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Very good. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Right? Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Very good. Let's go to the next one. So here it says, here come bad news, talking here and that, okay? Talking this and that. What do you think this means? Here comes bad news. Here comes bad news. What does that mean?
መጥፎ ዜና መምጣቱ አይቀር
Right? መጣ ይሆንና. So here comes bad news, talking this and that. ይሄንንም ያንንም እያለ መጥፎ ዜና መጣ, right? Because that is what daily life is, አይደለ? You cannot be happy constantly. የሆነ መጥፎ ነገር መሰማቱ አይቀርም, right? Good. What about the next lyric? What does it say? Give me all you got, don't hold it back. What do you think that means? Give me all you got. What do you think that means? Give me all you got. So, ያለሽን በሙሉ ስጪኝ ነው, right? Exactly. Give me all you got and don't hold it back. What does that mean? Don't hold it back.
አትያዡ ወይ አትያዘው
Yeah, exactly, right? So ወደ ኋላ እንትን አትበል, right? So መጥፎ ዜና መምጣቱ አይቀርም, ግን if you feel happy, if you feel like something positive is going on in your life, don't hold it back, give it all to me, right? አውጡ እያለን ነው ማለት ነው. Very good. Well, I should probably warn you I'll be just fine. What does that mean? I should probably warn you. I should probably warn you. Warning ምንድን ነው? ማስጠንቀቂያ. So I should probably warn you. What does that mean?
ማስጠንቀቅ አለብኝ
አይደለ? I'll be fine. እኔ ደህና ነው መሆን, right? I'll be fine. ለምን? Because I'm happy, okay? I'll be fine. So ምንም መጥፎ ነገር ቢሆን positive ነገር ቢሆን just give it all to me ግን እንደ ማስጠንቀቂያ let me tell you something አይደለ let me warn you I'll be just fine good
No offense to you, don't waste your time.
What does no offense to you mean? No offense to you. What do you think it means? No offense to you.
ለማልበድል
Okay. ለምሳሌ I said የሆነ የሚያስቀይምሽ ነገር እናገርሻለሁ ልበል okay? ከዛ በኋላ if I said no offense, what do you think that means?
አትቀየሚኝ
አትቀየሚኝ right? So አትቀየሚኝ ስትሉ you're going to say no offense to you, okay? What about don't waste your time?
ጊዜሽን አታጥፊ
right ጊዜህን አታጥፊ ምናምን ብለን ስንናገር ማለት ነው አይደለ okay good we'll take it from the top okay guys let's just finish this
Why? Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because
so no offense to you don't waste your time here's why because እኔ ምን ስለሆንኩኝ happy ስለሆንኩኝ I'm not going to be sad I'm just going to be fine so no offense to you if you feel like you don't have if you feel like you don't have what it takes then don't give it to me okay that's what it means so let's take it from the top all right so ዘፈኑ ረጅም ስለሆነ for now let's just take it from the top it's kind of repetitive እቺኛው chorus part as much more chorus part በጣም ስለሚደጋገም it's basically the same thing okay so let's take it one more time from the top that's what it means so he's really happy and he wants to get other happy people along the way with him አይደለ so the guy is really happy በጣም ደስተኛ ነው he's satiated with his happiness እሱ በራሱ happiness በጣም satisfied ነው satiated ነው so what he wants to get is to become to like convert other people to become as happy as him አይደለ ስለዚህ he's like don't hold it back ወደ ኋላ አትበሉ just give it all to me እኔ ደህና ነው የምሆነው no offense to you እንደማላስቀይምሽ እርግጠኛ ነኝ ግን ምንም ነገር ብትይኝ አታስቀይመኝም so I'm just going to be fine እያለ ነው ማለት ነው right okay
because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
So whenever you're hearing this kind of songs, it's very important to imitate the ways that he says the words, okay? So አሁን አንዳንዶቹን ቃላቶች ሲላቸው it's a distinct way of saying it አይደለ አሁን ቀጣዩ part ስትሰሙት በጣም distinct ወይም ለየት የሚል accent አለው so you can try to imitate that way እሱን ለማስመሰል መሞከር ትችላላችሁ okay?
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. Your love is too hot.
So bring me down can't nothing bring me down እያለ ነው የሚዘፍነው okay? So let me write it down here for you guys. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. What do you think this means? Can't nothing bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. What do you think that means, Aiden?
ምንም ነገር ሊጥለኝ አይችልም
Right? ምንም ነገር ወታች ሙዴን ሊያወርደው አይችልም. Can't nothing bring me down because my level's too high. Okay? የኔ level የቱ ጋር በጣም ላይ ስለሆነ ምንም ነገር ወታች ሊያደርገኝ አይችልም. Because why? Because I'm happy. That's what the song is about, okay? So whenever you feel a little down, then try to play this song. ይሄን ደጋግማችሁ በሰማችሁት ቁጥር the accent ቃላቶቹ በጣም ቀላል ስለሆኑ ጆሮአችሁ ላይ ይገባሉ. I'm sure it was a very informative lesson for you guys. እንደዚህ የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ comment section ላይ ሌላ ቪዲዮ ስሩልን ብላችሁ አስቀምጡልን. Thank you so much for watching እስካሁን ድረስ ይሄንን ቪዲዮ ከወደዳችሁት like share comment subscribe በማድረግ የኤምኤች ፋሚሊን ይቀላቀሉ. ደወል ምልክቷን መጫን እንዳትረሱ በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እንገናኛለን. Goodbye.